Grow your hair longer and faster with this wash day routine using Indian secret herbs and Prepoo treatment. Hi everyone, welcome back to Natural's Good Secret. If this is your first time coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. Consider joining this family by subscribing and like this video if you enjoy watching. In today's video, I will take you through a Prepoo routine treatment and also a full wash day routine using Indian secret herb. So stay tuned and enjoy watching this video. Anyone can follow this hair routine for a more thicker, longer and healthy hair. This treatment is absolutely amazing. So firstly, I am going to detangle our hair. Spray the hair with water. You can use only water. For me, I am using a detangling spray which contains 90% water and the remaining percent are added in conditioning and moisturizing ingredients like aloe vera. We all know aloe vera help the hair grow healthy. It helps moisturize and soften the hair. So guys, with this detangling spray, you are going to be detangling your hair without no stress at all, especially if you are working on a very thick 4 type hair. If you have type 2 or straight hair, you can detangle your hair easily. So we all shed hair every day, at least 100 strands a day. So removing this shedded hair with a detangling spray before your wash day begins is very, very important. So you don't have to waste time on your wash day at all with this detangling spray. So you go in with your fingers and then go in with a brush depending on what you like. So guys, this is what I would do. Then after this stage, I am going to section her hair. As you can see, I am doing this detangling in a section by section. Her hair is already sectioned. After I am done detangling all the sections, I will then move over to my Prepoo oil treatment. So this is the hair I got from detangling the hair, which is quite normal after 2 weeks. So depends, yours might be more than that if you detangle your hair or leave it after a very long time before washing your hair. So guys, I am going to be using olive oil for this Prepoo treatment and my herbal hair growth oil. So the herbs in the oil are very much, some of the herbs are clove, um peppermint, oregano and some other herbs. So I went ahead to warm the oil. Prepare oil treatment is a type of treatment you apply to your hair before washing it. So you have to coat your hair with the warm oil. So you can warm the oil. I prefer warming the oil, which will make the oil penetrate into your scalp because this is a scalp treatment. So I pay attention to applying the oil all over the scalp because our hair grows from the scalp. So you can also apply it all over your hair shaft, but make sure to coat it around your shaft, your scalp, and then massage your scalp because our that is where our hair growth starts from. So this oil helps in strengthening the hair. People in general, after covering the hair, leave it for at least an hour or two before rinsing it out. So this is the wash day process. I am going to first of all saturate our hair with water, whether you are doing a pre-poo treatment or not, or whatever treatment you are doing. Before you shampoo your hair, make sure to saturate it with water. Water is the key, guys. Watering your hair before applying any treatment is absolutely very amazing. So I see some people washing their hair, just applying shampoo to a dry hair, which is very wrong. So you have to saturate your hair, whether you have any treatment or not. Saturate your hair with water first of all before applying shampoo, which will help to make it more effective. So I'm going in with my scalp massager, which is very soft. This scalp massager is very soft, guys. You can use any scalp massager of your choice, or if you have a good hands, you can use your hand. If you don't have a scalp massager, you can use your hands to massage your scalp, guys. So applying shampoo and using it on your scalp is very, very important. Don't be in a hurry to rinse off your shampoo. So the first shampoo I'm using is a strengthening shampoo. You can use any shampoo of your choice. our hair twice. So the first shampoo is a strengthening shampoo. It contains aloe vera and some herbal ingredients. So the second one is a conditioning shampoo, two-in-one conditioning moisturizing shampoo, which will help to back that moisture and make our hair soft. This one is very, very foamy. It makes the hair soft as well. So guys, I'm going to apply it all over our hair now. I am done washing our scalp, and then I'm just going to use this one to soften our hair, and also going to our scalp as well to wash it off. I'm not going to be using the scalp massager anymore because I did it in the first stage. So I'm just going to now rinse the hair thoroughly. So after rinsing the hair thoroughly, I'll go in with a hair mask or a deep conditioner. You can use a deep conditioner or a hair mask or a normal conditioner. So with this deep conditioning your hair or applying a hair mask treatment will help in to lock in more moisture and will make your hair last long. Like, it will make the treatment last long. It will just keep a healthy hair for you. So I make sure to rinse the hair properly. After rinsing the hair properly, I go in with my Indian secret herb, which is very, very amazing for promoting hair growth and also rejuvenating your hair. I use 2 tablespoons of black seed, which is also known as kolenji seed. I will leave the name on the screen. I also use peppermint or mint leaf. Peppermint leaf promotes hair growth, while the black seed prevents graying. If you are experiencing graying hair or you want to darken your hair the more, it also promotes blood circulation. Hair rinse rejuvenate and refresh your hair, also help in removing excess oil after shampooing
This
your hair.
Indian seed help to promote blood circulation and stimulate and soothe your scalp a lot. So I am going to apply everything on your scalp. This treatment help to soothe the scalp. It is full of nutrients, and also it nourishes and stimulates hair regrowth. So immediately I am going to go in with a leave-in conditioner. I like to go in immediately with a leave-in lightweight leave-in conditioner, which help to lock in more moisture and prevent dryness. So you can dampen your hair, but I love to go in immediately after the hair rinse because I did not wash it out. I did not rinse the hair rinse out from the hair. So we will go in immediately with a lightweight leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner help to calm frizz, help to make your combing process easy, help to lock in more moisture. So this is for the wash day. Our wash day is over. So I'm going to section our hair after applying each leave-in conditioner in sections. I will twist it up, and then I will cover our hair with a microfiber towel, and then I will bait her. Then we'll move over to the next stage, which is putting our hair in a protective style and nourishing our hair with a nourishing hair growth oil. So, guys, if you have watched this video to this extent and you are yet to join the family, what are you waiting for? Go ahead to join Natural Good Secrets. Join us over here, okay? Like this video if you are a returning subscriber. Thank you so much. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe, okay guys. So right now I am going to be using a heat protectant to slightly blow dry our hair. You can either leave the hair to a dry or put the hair in a protective style, moisturize your hair, put it in a protective style after it has dried. But I am going to be blow drying our hair a lot. If not, it is going to shrink up, and I don't want that. So I'm going to be using oil as well to nourish her scalp and promote hair growth for her. So this is a kind of heat protectant I am using. And the blow dryer, it's in a very cool setting, and this will not cause any heat damage, okay? Using this, you can do whatever you want after this stage, okay guys? So if you prefer blow drying, or there are so many methods to straighten the hair, okay guys? So I am going to follow up with my hair growth oil. You can use your hair butter to seal in moisture because a lot of moisture is already on the hair, so we have to seal it up using our oil or butter. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Your hair will grow healthy longer by the day. So guys, this is our wonderful hair wash day routine before our hair reached this stage. Like before we were able to achieve this stage, we started from the bottom, from scratch, and we are still learning and we'll keep on learning every day. So if you have anything you want to add to this wash day routine, leave it in the comment section. If you enjoyed and learned something from this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We love you all, and bye, guys.